Hey there, I'm here to try this crazy sweet corn toasted snack cracker. I'll see if I can find these online. If I can, I'll pin a link below. I've never heard of this brand before. You can a little bit smell the corn. Here's what it looks like inside. It's very reminiscent of a wheat thin. It's not bad. This would be good with a dip or a thin slice of cheese. Lisa, come try these. Yeah. Not bad at all. We're just barely sweet.
Yeah.
No, not bad.
Kind of bland. You could use some
I was gonna
salt.
say a little mild, so.
Could use some salt on them.
For a carrier of like a dip or something, these would be great. I'd get these again if I had a plan for them. It is 90 calories per serving. Not bad. Let me know if you've ever had these before, what you thought of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.